Hello, in front of me I've got DDpai Mini 3 dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to take photos and record videos. In the beginning, let's go to DDpai app. And now we are connected. We can take photos using capture button. And if you want to take the videos, basically you'll learn that the camera is already recording. If you want to download a video to watch it later, tap on download, but firstly slide what part you want to download. You can select from 9:4, today or preview. Also you can select between slow and fast. Tap download. And now you can go to capture to check your snapshots. Then you can go to emergency to check emergency videos. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.